Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today in this video, we are going to do analysis of today's exam. That means 21st of August exam analysis. So we will be solving some of the question, and I will tell you what was the level of the examination today and all these restrictions what we have in our TCS examination. Okay. Now, so friends, the first thing which we talk about the level of the question. Okay, so the question level was easy to moderate. So today the level of the question was easy to moderate. So once we will start solving the question, you will realize that yes, so today's question were easy to moderate. Now you can ask me, sir, so if the level of the question was easy to moderate, then the cutoff will reduce or the cutoff will increase. Friends, it's very clear the cutoff for each and every sitting will be same. So if the question is easy, you are lucky. If the question is tough, you are unlucky. That's all. But the cutoff remains same. What we have discussed yesterday is 70%. Okay, now friends, there is no question wise timer. Okay, so no question wise timer. This you already know. Okay, you cannot switch between the section. You cannot no switching between the sections. Okay, but one thing which is, so you can start which you know the section you wanted to attempt first. So you can start for numerical ability, or you can start with reasoning ability, or you can start with verbal ability. So total question will be 65, and you will be given 75 minutes to attempt all the 65 questions. Okay, so this is all about the examination and the restrictions, you can say, or whatever the good and bad. Okay, and there is no negative marking, so please attempt all the questions. Okay, now friends, as I said, the level of the questions were easy. So let us try to understand, was it actually easy or not. So question number one. Question number one is from permutation and combination. So let us try to solve that. Before that, friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, because yesterday I had made a video on cutoff and result date. Okay, and slot one analysis of 20 August. That means yesterday 19th August analysis I have done. Okay, see Y company. So each and everything we are doing it here. So if you have not subscribed, do subscribe and click on bell icon. Also, we put lot of effort in doing that. How many four digit even number can be formed from the digit 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8? Okay, if the digits can be repeated. So we have to make a four digit even number, friends. Okay, and we have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now what is even number? So even number is a number which will be divisible by 2. That means here we should be having 4 or 6 or 8, right? 4 or 6 or 8. So how many choices we have? We have three choice. See, if you want a even number, four digit even number, then at the end there should be 4 or 6 or 8. Then only it will be a even number, right? Because even number should be divisible by 2. Now, so three choices we have at the last place. Now then, so friends, they are saying that digit can be repeated. So at the first place we can keep any one. So we have how many choices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have six choices. Then again, so we have six choices. Then again, six choices. Why our choices are same? Because a digit can be repeated. We can have a number like this: 8, 8, 8, 8. We can have a number like this: 4, 4, 4, 4. We can have a number like this: 4, 4, 8, 8. Okay, so that is the reason we can use all six here. We can use all six here. We can use all six here. But at the last place, we can only use 4, 6, or 8, because we wanted a even number. Now, if you multiply this, you will be able to get the answer. So 6 cube will be 216 into 3. So 648. 3 6 is 18. 16 3 is 48 basically. And 3 2s are 6. So 648. So this was a fill up the blank. So you will be getting fill up the blank. So one more thing I wanted to add it here. So you will be having few questions on fill up the blanks, and the rest will be MCQs. MCQs means you will have to select the answers like this. Okay, you'll have to select the answers like this, and fill up the blanks means you'll have to fill your answers here. Okay, and then they will tell you if it is correct or not. Next question. So in a certain code language, exam is written as, so exam is written as AEX13. AEX13. Okay, now, so how will play be written as? So PLAY. So first try to analyze. So friends, the third has come to the first, and then the first has come to the second, and second has come to the third. And what is 13? So 13 is nothing but the position of M. See, if you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So that is the reason they have written 13 here. So again, A will come here and P will go there. So we are just trying to analyze. P will go here and then L will come here and Y. So the position of Y is 25 because total 26 alphabets are there. A is 1, Z will be 26 and Y will be 25. So your answer will become APL 25. Your answer will become APL 25. So friends, I wanted to ask you only. So these questions are easy or not? So these questions are easy or not? Definitely these questions are, my dear friends, easy. So that is the reason I said it is easy to moderate. Okay, now so what is the value of the reciprocal of this complete thing? Okay, no need to worry about that. So we have 12 cube plus 1 cube minus 10 cube, okay, divided by 64. Friends, in my all videos I have told you that you have to keep till 15th of cube you have to remember, and till 25th of a square you have to remember. Okay, so not 25, basically 35 I have told you, which you can easily remember. So my dear friends, see, whatever I have told you in the previous videos, if you follow that, you can easily clear TCS NQT examination. Now 12 cube, so 12 cube will be 1728. 1 cube will be 1 and 10 cube will be 1000 divided by 64 to the power 1 by 6. Okay, fine, no problem. So 1728. So anyway, this will become 728 plus 1, 729, and divided by 64 to the power 1 by 6. Okay, now, so friends, basically, here you have 6. So 729 and the 64, you need to bring in the terms of 6. So we know 2 to the power 6 will be 64. See, 2 cube is 8 and again 2 cube is 8. So 2 to the power 6 will be 64 and 3 cube will be 27 and again 3 cube will be 27. So 27 into 27 will be nothing but 729. Okay, so 336 and 336. So this will become 3 by 2 to the power 6 and whole to the power 1 by 6. So this and this will get cancelled, 3 by 2. Now they wanted reciprocal. Many of you will mark 3 by 2 and come back happily, which is wrong. Okay, so reciprocal means 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means option D will become the correct answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer for the question number 3. Okay, so friends, I'm telling you the problem were easy, and again I'm telling you, so we are doing analysis of each and every shift and putting a lot of effort in making the question, solving it, editing it, recording it. It takes around 2 to 3 hours to make one video. So please do subscribe and click on bell icon also, because I do not want you to miss anything. Now question number 4. A boy walking at a rate of 9 km/h crosses a bridge in 32 minutes. What is the length of the bridge in meters? So distance will be equal to a speed into time. Okay, now, so when a boy is crossing a bridge, okay, that length you have to, a length is not known, and the speed they have given is 9 km/h. And if we'll talk about time, 32 minutes. And they also telling bridge, the length of the bridge you have to tell in meter. So D is equal to L, speed 9 km/h. So if you want to convert into meter second, my dear friends, you need to multiply by 5 by 18. Time is 32 minutes. So if you want to convert into seconds, then you have to multiply by 60. That's all. If you'll solve this, you will be able to get the answer. 6 3s are and 6 10s are and 3 3s are. So 3 5s are 15. 15 into 32 into 10. So 15 into 3s are will be 450 and 30. So 480 and one more zero. So it will become 4,800 meters. 4,800 meters. Option D will be the correct answer. Again, I wanted to ask you, is it easy or not? Is it easy or not? Okay, so this is definitely easy. Now question number 5. The ratio of milk and water in 60 liter of mixture. So there is total 60 liter of mixture is there. Okay, mixture is there. Out of that, milk and water ratio is 7:5. So let us calculate the quantity of milk. Total is 60 liter and milk is 7 part out of total 12 part. Now 12 fives are, so 5 into 7 is 35. And if we'll talk about water, so 60 minus 35, that means 25 liter is water. So in the 60 liter of mixture, total 35 liter is milk and 25 liter is water. Now, to increase the quality of milk, how much milk is to be added? Okay, now, so basically now milk is 35. We are going to add some more milk into it to increase the quality of milk. Okay, see, if you want to increase the quality of milk, then you need to increase milk into it, right? Okay, and water you do not have to touch. Okay, water you do not have to watch. See, in your body, if you want to increase water, what you will do, you will drink water, right? Okay, now so 35 plus x divided by 25, so how much milk basically we will be adding so that the new ratio becomes 7/2. Now the calculation you have to do. So 35 into 2 will be 70 plus 2x. 25 into 7 will be 175. 2x will be equal to 175 minus 70, which is nothing but 105. So 105, if we'll try to divide by 2, so 2 5s are 10, okay, and 2 2s are 4. So basically, so 52 and 1 by 2. Okay, so 52 1 by 2. So this will become 105 by 2. This will become 105 by 2. So I have the first option. Option A is the correct answer. Now I wanted to ask you, so is this easy question or not? See, in exam you might have felt it is difficult, but it is easy question. Okay, friends, in the examination you do not have to spend more than 1.5 minutes. Okay, so more than 1 minute and 30 seconds on any question. Otherwise the easy question you will miss. Okay, so maximum you have to give 1.5 minutes. Okay, so 1 minute 30 second maximum you have to give on one question, not more than that. Now, so last one is a compound interest problem, and let us see how can we solve it. So in how many years will a sum of rupees 1600 amounts to rupees this at 15%? Okay, now friends, this question can be easily solved. This question can be easily solved. Okay, no need of using the formulas and all. But anyway, let us see. Friends, one thing you always remember, compound interest will be always greater than simple interest except for the first year. Okay, now so I will try to eliminate the option. So I will first write the data. So the principal is given 1600 rupees and the rate is given 15%, and amount, that means basically the 1600 rupees is becoming 2116 in how many years, that we have to calculate. Okay, if we'll talk about the interest, how much interest, basically 2116 minus 1600 rupees. So this is nothing but 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, so basically there is 516 rupees interest is there, right? Okay, so this is clear. Now, so what I will do, so I will try to calculate the compound interest for 3 years. So 1600 into 3, so PR, T is 15 and divided by 100. Okay, fine. So 20 and 20 will get cancelled. So 15 into 48, right? So 15 4 ja 600 and 15 8 ja 120. So 720 rupees will become the interest. Okay, simple interest will become 720 if we invest for 3 years. So definitely compound interest will become more than 720. So option A and option D is anyway eliminated. Okay, now so, and if we try to calculate simple interest for 2 years, sorry, for yes, 2 years, so it will become around 480, right? See, if we calculate simple interest for 2 years, then 1600 into 15 into 2 by 100, right? So 16 into 30 will be 480. Okay, and here it is 516. So definitely compound interest will be more than simple interest, so it will be more than 480. But definitely 3 and 1 is eliminated. So which option is there? Option 2 is there. So friend, this kind of questions you have to use your mind and solve. Okay, see, if you'll start solving like P is equals amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. See, that way you can also solve, but it will unnecessarily become lengthy. So with the help of basic, see, if you have attended my classes of simple and compound interest, you will understand each and every minute thing. See, even the crash course also I have covered, and crash course link is given in this video. So I have clearly explained what is the difference between simple and compound interest, how can we easily solve. See, I have told you multiple formulas, like compound interest will be equal is equals to 2a plus b. This is a unique formula where you do not have to use this. This is derived using binomial theorem. See, you have to make the mathematics easier, you have to think in mind and then you have to solve it. Okay, so these are the few questions I have taken it here, friends. So if you have any doubt, please leave a comment in the comment box, and I will again request to you, so if you have not still subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that at least please appreciate our effort. We are putting a lot of effort for you guys. Thank you, take care, and all the very very best. So 2 p.m. slot people should definitely do better in the examination. Thanks.